Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have another project share to share with you guys. And yes, don't kill me. It's another banner. But you guys, I've been so obsessed with these that I just want to make a bunch to send to my pen pals. And then once I get over it, I just won't make them anymore. But I needed to create some more. And I probably have like 3 more that I want to make because I have a bunch of collections that I printed out and cut up ephemera for that I want to use. Because what's the point of cutting them if you're not going to use what you put your work into, right? So this collection is Echo Park. I'd rather be crafting, and I think it's so cute, and I was dying to play with it, so I created this banner. So I'm going to show you guys how it turned out. So first, let me give you an overview. This is the front of it. I tend to keep it at 7 envelopes. And then that's the last one. And these little hearts right here are how I start and end the banner, as you can see. So the first envelope looks like this. All the papers are from the collection. This is a little die cut. We got some marble flowers that I got in Michael's the other day. I found this cute little frame in my stash. She's from, I forgot what collection she's from. Glitter Girl, I think it is. She's from Glitter Girl, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, some enamel dots and just a little heart that holds the clip of the beginning of the envelopes. They're all stuffed already and sealed. This is the next one. And I just put some cute little crepe paper, a little, like a measuring tape with the scissors. And there's like a little word sticker here that says make time. And then the paper is so cute that it has like little buttons on it. I think this one is one of my favorites. Came out so cute. And then the next envelope is this one. And it's just like this brown paper. And it says a bunch of like crafting phrases. I just put a yellow doily. And then I put the word create in like a wood chip form, and then instead of the T I put a little bow, which I thought was so cute, and just some enamel dots. Here's another one of my favorites. This one, the envelope has like a bunch of needles and spools and tape measures and stuff like that, scissors and pins. So I decided to add cute little buttons and a little piece of the measuring tape. Let me see if I can fix this a little bit better. Little piece of the measuring tape, and this one says I like to party, and by party I mean stay at home in my PJs and do crafts. And then I have these little spools that I use to send like washi samples, so I just put a little bit of twine over it, popped it up with some foam tape, and that's how it turned out. And I think it looks so cute. And then this one has another little peach doily, and it says the answer is crafting. I don't care what the question is. And I just glued down like some beading. Here's some enamel dots. Simple but still cute. And then this one just has like a little flower from the collection. The envelope is all flowers, and then just a little saying here propped up on foam tape. It says live, love, create. And then last but not least is this one, and it's just a blue paper with like the typewriter keys on the back, and it says love, craftiness is happiness, and then I just put some hearts and enamel dots and a heart doily on the back. But yeah, you guys, that is my project share of the day. My obsession with banners is so real, and let me know if you guys have made any, because these are so fun and different to receive in the mail. So this is what this one looks like. I will definitely show you guys if I create a different one. Let me know what you think. Do you like the colors? Do you like the collection? I want to know it all. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video. And stay tuned for tomorrow, Wifey Wednesday, you guys. She created a tag flip for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Bye.